Okay, so let's learn a thing or two about changing the subject of a formula. So in a formula like this, okay, let me just write a is equals to pi r squared of a circle. Okay, we say that a is the subject. Okay, why is it the subject? It is the only term that has got a. Okay, so typically the subject of the formula appears on the left hand side. Okay, so just some tips here. Okay, in order for you to change the subject of the formula, you have to isolate that those terms. You have to isolate the terms that you would want to make the subject of. Okay, for example, if we have got a is equals to pi r squared plus pi r l. Okay, pi r squared plus pi r l. Okay, this is an L. Okay, what we have to do is make R make L the subject. Let's try to make L the subject. Alright, okay, make L the subject. Okay, we have to isolate the term that has got L, and the only term that has got an L is this term. So a, sorry, this should have been an equal. A minus pi r squared is equals to pi r l. Agreed? So your L is equals to a minus pi r squared over pi r. Okay, so these are just some tips to changing the subject of a formula. Okay, let's just try one more example. Okay, v equals to square root u squared minus 2gh. Okay, what I first do for questions like that, because there's a square root, okay, I have to square both sides. If it's a cube root, you cube both sides. Okay, so I'll square both sides. So what I'll get is v squared. Okay, when a square root is squared, you are essentially getting rid of the square root. So u squared, okay, u squared minus 2gh. So, oops, I forgot to write. Let's make u the subject. Okay, so this is the question, make u the subject. So I squared both sides, okay, and I get v squared equals to u squared minus 2gh. V squared plus 2gh equals to u squared. Okay, negative 2gh, I shift it to the other side of the equation, I get positive 2gh, and then u is just square root v squared plus 2gh. There you go.